My name is Dong-gyu Kim. My pronouns are he, him. I am a graduate student with the Department of Plant Pathology. I was born in Daegu, South Korea. My research revolves around investigating the nature of the interaction between the soybean cyst nematode, a root parasite of soybeans, their host plants, and various soil fungi. So my interest in plant pathology began as a general fascination of microorganisms. The massive impact that microorganisms and their interactions have in our everyday lives was something that captivated me, and that sort of interest carried over to plant pathology. I started my undergraduate studies as a major in biochemistry. I thought I would go into the medical fields when I moved on to higher education, but one thing led to another, and I met my current advisor, Dr. Catherine Bushley, and she and her graduate students introduced me to the field of plant pathology and the profound impact that microbes have on our food production systems. And from there, my love for plant pathology gradually grew out of being involved in various undergraduate research opportunities. If I could say I had a favorite class, it would be all those that focused on the molecular aspects of microorganisms. I think as that early on in my undergraduate career, I knew that my obsession would be at the molecular biology and biochemistry level. For me, plant pathology is really important because it reminds me of the agricultural practices and cultures that really has brought me up to this point and continues to nurture me. And I guess in some way or another, it feels like my way of somehow returning to those things. And I think every day, every week, I'm most inspired by my peers, my fellow graduate students and researchers who, with their own unique backgrounds and research interests and personalities, continue to make an identity of themselves in this field of plant pathology. I'd say the biggest challenge I continuously face almost on a daily basis in my time as a plant pathologist is the everyday decisions that come up as part of my research. Everything as small as what am I doing today to where do I take this in the long run, I think is the thing that most engages me and keeps me on my toes.